Alright, welcome back. Been gone for a while. Just stuff going on, keep forgetting to grab the camera, and just been having trouble editing. I'm still trying to figure it out. But, yeah, black Mustang, friend of ours, in our little circle. Do a polish, wax, a little paint correction, and do a ceramic coating on it. You just told me do what you do best. Get her shining again. Well, we can figure something out. See what I can do. So, just dropped her off. I start on tomorrow. Black car, you know, without the sun. Let it cool off. No fun when they're hot. So, bring her around, see what she does. Figured I'd make a video. Ain't done one for a while. Running behind. Just time gets away. You don't think about grabbing the camera. Been to a few car shows here and there, but nothing fancy. Got the party coming up in front of mine's house. Big car show. Aaron Gurley, Big Daddy Gurley, we call him. Probably do something there. Some other shows coming up. Just remember to grab the camera. Like I said, editing still working on. Ain't the best. Sorry, but still trying to figure it out. But this is my next one. See what happens. Anything you always want to see in a video, or something you want me to try to do, or figure something out, just leave a comment. Tell me what's going on. Maybe we can catch a car show in your neighborhood somewhere before the end of the year. Just holler at us and see if we can bring the hot rod dually and Corey with the Vega. Maybe we can show up or something. Alright, we'll get off here. Get in the garage, let her cool down and start on in the morning. Talk to you guys later.